Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. So Wednesday, midweek, our market dropped 53.15 points or down 0.81% to close at 6,540.24. Value turnover is at 5 billion pesos. No? So April 26. Tapos yung month of April natin. No? So investors trimmed their exposures following the concerns of a U.S. banking crisis. Speaking of recession in the U.S., I expect some soft landing, technical recession. So chance for us to accumulate our favorite stocks at much lower price. No? So another few days na lang, no? There's what we call sell in May and go away. So talaga mahulog ang market. So expect weakness. So I hope inflation already peaked as we will announce GDP numbers on first week of April, May, no? So anyway, sabi naman ni Felipe Medalla, no, BSP governor that nga he's also hinting a slower loosening of policy, no? So yun nga, diba? Anyway, MPI surge, no, 4.41%. It's up. It's the fourth day or third day up, no? So I expect. Remember, this is really an event-driven stock. So yeah, last January to March, no, it went up to as high as 460 on tender offer news. And when it dropped below 4 pesos, talagang ang daming pinagpag, no? Ang daming nagbentahan nun. And when it dropped nung March 20 something ng around 360, I bought what pinayback ulit lahat ng mga binenta natin. So all shares intact now. So let's see, no? And it looks like the price action confirms of a corporate action, no? Sabi ko naman, we analyze every movement, di naman tayo nagbabato-bato lang, di ba? So anyway, yeah, they're hinting of a tender offer since what, January, no? But remember, 2020, this also went to as high as 550 or for something yata last time, no? Anyway, what's good about MPIs? It's a low risk, high reward. Unfortunately, the low risk involves, yun nga, the assets are really cheap. Why? The valuation right now of MPI is just their stake in Meralco. So all assets are relatively free. In toll road business, free. Metro Hospital, free. Lahat yan free na. No? If you check the book value, it's around 7 pesos. Net asset value is around 8 to 9 pesos. So, jackpot if may mag-tender dito. I don't know kung ano mag-tender. For a tender price, hindi kasi pwede magbigay ng random price yan. No? There should be a basis, a fair market valuation of a third party. Hindi naman pwede bukas. Oh, diba? So anyway, let's hope for the best. No? So, yun. I'm bullish on MPI. Ganda ng galaw eh. No? And I know for a fact, 2016-2017, GT Cap acquired 16% stake in MPI for around 6 pesos. No? So they also plan to raise their stake in MPI. No? So this is definitely a good opportunity. Sabayan na niya kung ano. No? Market right now is cheaper than their acquisition price. They're very long-term investors there. No? GT Cap. I think they have 1 or 2 board seats. So, of course, problem with GT Cap if they're increasing their stake in MPI. Ganyan mag-isip eh, how will they fund the acquisition? No? Through debt, diba? Hindi porket may acquisition, good news na yan, no? Ganun mag-isip. How will GT Cap acquire that just in case he increase his stake there? No? So, how will the other partners react? So, GT Cap dropped 4.11% today. No? AC is also down. URC is also down. Metrobank is also down. Respect is also down, no? So investing is a marathon, not a sprint. So I don't know, no? This is an event-driven stock, Spinec, no? So kahit anong earnings niya, walang mangyayari dyan unless of course Leandro Levis decides to fix his problems. Sabi ko naman last year, it's at least a year for his increase in authorized capital stock. So right now, it's a year and 2 months. No? So right on track, no? The more he delay it, the more I have concerns about his leadership. Uh, Sa iba naman yan, less than a year, kaya naman yan. No? That's what we call professionalizing the company. No? When you have professionals running the business. Pag wala ka talaga alam, if you don't know what you're doing, it will take some time. So better nga to sell the entire stake to probably MVP or to another group. MVP bought SPNIC at around 1 peso and 25 centavos. So that's the at least a barometer there. No? Good. Ano. By the way, no, PNX4, tama tayo. No? They're finally paying their dividends after 3 months. No? So there's no news on their step up rate eh. Pero ito yung dividend na babayaran nila is for those November. So it looks like tama nga yung hula natin nung yung mga crosses on dito, no? So it looks like na is raising funds, no? At least makapagbayad na siya, hindi siya nag-default, di ba? So good news. Anyway, EEI no finally announced that they sold 20% of their stake to the group of Martin Romualdez no, for around 1.25 billion. No? So if you compute that, I think that's 6 pesos. So it doesn't mean na aabot ng 6 pesos yan. No? So it's always market forces who will dictate. Did we make money? Of course. No? Ang pangit ang chart yesterday, we sold already our, ano lang, mabilisan lang naman dyan. It looks like na crazy, no? Crazy chart, no? So, anyway, if you know the history between these two, no? It's since 1970s pa sila close. So, actually, di ako gulat na Martin Romualdez or even Bongbong Marcos na acquired this company from the Yuchenko. No? So, long history na sila yan. It's a matter of when. No? It's not a matter of what. No? So, of course, as the person in charge right now, they can do whatever they want. And they're slowly acquiring no? Several companies. And I believe this is not the first, this will not be the last. No? So 20% stake, the goal is really to expand EEI to other markets and yung mga build projects nila. No? So there. Kaya pala gumalaw ng 270 to what, 5 something. We made money but not much eh. Kasi takot ako sa liquidity, ang lalayo ng spread. No? If you don't know anything, talagang matatakot ka. No? When I bought EEI the other day nga, sabi ko nga, this is a risky move eh. No? It's just, I really just plan to day trade it. No? Eventually, binenta ko na. I made money, but not much. Kasi lalayo rin ang spread. Wala rin liquidity. Hirap bumili ng mga around 2 to 3 million, 5 million or more. No? So anyway, so the private holding company of the Romualdez no, acquired a 20% stake in EEI. No? So HI is also put on a trading halt. So they're also increasing their authorized capital stock and yun nga, tama yung hula natin na sa PERC naglinis no ng assets si EEI. EEI is now a construction firm no so nilipat yung mga assets niya from renewables to PERC. Bala is also up 3% no so their net income surged 336% year on year to around 37 million last year as a result of company expansion of its retail network no although good performance ang boring ng business so hindi na-excite yung market about kiosk business kaya ganyan lang yan no by the way no FNI the Cagayanao mine of FNI no also ships around 55,000 wet metric tons of low grade nickel ore to China so FYI lang. SM no finally announced their plan to list or do a SM rate $1 billion IP of 50 billion with a valuation of around 200 billion. It's really the biggest rate of them all. Of course, 50 billion. Saan kukunin ang market yan with this kind of market? Who? What stock? Yung magbebenta. Diba? So it will eclipse the IP of Monde. Monde raised around 48 billion. This will be much bigger. No? So, laki. By the way, SM also signs a deal with Radisson Hotel Group for the development of 14 new hotels across the country. So, ganun na sila ka-bullish about tourism. Rebound tayo, no? Revenge travel, revenge spending. No? ABS and GMA, no? Signed a partnership at least to distribute the shows of ABS events abroad. So, these two rival networks finally joined hands. No? So, yun lang pala ang mangyayari, no? Mawala lang ng franchise and they're now friends. Kapuso, kapamilya, kaibigan. No? Yan, si TV5, no? So, even Manny Pangilinan ventured in broadcasting network. Wala rin nangyari. Ramon Ang, I think, tried purchasing GMA7 before but no deal rin. So, buti nga, hindi nga nangyari. Right now, Ramon Ang is busy with with his other ventures, no, Global Power, San Miguel Food and Beverage, and even GSMI, which is doing well. No? So congratulations. Anyway, the agribusiness of Aboitiz Group is also expanding its regional feed milling facilities in Asia. So the conglomerate's infrastructure arm is hoping to get 3 airport contracts this year, FYI lang no, for AEV. No? So again, sorry for uploading late. No, we're also busy, but yun. No? So Monte, no? So it's a cyclical market. No? So Converge is trading at a low, Meg is low. So right now, favorite is MPI. No? So let's see. No? Sana this is it. Pansit. Diba? Dami natin yan. Binayback ko rin yung binenta ko. No? When we bought that first round at 360, I started selling that at 450, 460. It's a well-documented trade. Tapos nung yung alanganin yung pressure around 4 pesos hovering there, tinapong ko rin lahat. Eventually, price collapsed to as low as 350, 360 yung March. No? So, I reloaded. No? Sabi ko nga, that's the plan. No? Hindi ko kinukwento dahil tapos na. No? Even naman, bago pa mangyari, kinukwento ko na ano yung mga game plan ko. I share it. Hindi tayo madama na tao. No? We're blessed to bless others. Diba? So anyway, no, the SIM card registrations was moved or at least extended for 90 days, no? So the problem there is not really the procrastination, but some Filipinos mahirap umintindi ng instruction. I heard, no, some people are paying 500 pesos para tulungan sila mag SIM card registration, no? So ang daming complicated. Yung iba nga kasi walang ID, no? So not everyone, no, has a government ID. That's a problem in the Philippines, no? Barangay certificate is not a valid ID. So di tatanggapin, no? So anyway, I hope this dreams or at least ma-wipe out yung mga scammer. Daming nagme-message, no? Bibigyan ka ng job sa WhatsApp. Anyway, Meralco and AP, no? By the way, signed a 1-year supply agreement, no? So Meralco signed a 1-year supply agreement with the unit of Aboitiz Power, no? At least this will mitigate its exposure in the spot market, no? So SM Prime, so yun. Anyway, our passcode for today is MPI, no? So laki ng volume. So I have a gut feeling this is it. Diba? Hindi naman tayo, ano. Siyempre, dami nating hawak yan. Because we don't speculate. We anticipate, no? By the way, no, nickel is also planning to put up 2 additional nickel ore, no? The next 3 years, at least to add to its investments in renewable energy business. No? Why complicate? Sabi ko, dami ko rin. Isa pa to, dami ko nickel, no? Why complicate, no? Why invest in a non-performing renewable, no? Iba yung laro sa SPNEC eh. It's a growth story, no? But nickel is a bigger company. When we say mining in the Philippines, we talk about Nickel Asia, diba? GSIS, no? Invested around 1-2 billion in Nickel Asia. By the way, Apex, no? It's now 290. Finally, after slumbering for the past, 4 years? Natulog, no? Hibernating. Finally trending up, no? I remember before Apex is the Robin, no? Tandem yan ni PXP. When PXP goes up, Apex follows. No? Siya si Robin, ni Batman, no? But right now, Apex is now the leader, no? Iba talaga pag nagagawa ng Enrique Razon. Change management lang pala ang kailangan dyan. No? That's what we call turnaround. No? When Enrique Razon made a tender offer for the minority shares of some shareholders at 1 peso and 35 centavos. So, yun. PLC is not a turnaround company. In fact, they're already making money. When we say turnaround company kasi, it's losing. Tapos talagang biglang profitability. That's what happened with To Go before. No? They're losing money in the past few years. Then when they first reported positive earnings, bumili tayo konti. Unfortunately, na-realize ko, no, lumaki yung volume. Dinagdagan natin yun. Yun pala ang laro doon, tender offer. I wasn't able to sell at the top, but we made money. Okay na rin. Sabi ko nga. EEI, same lang. No? Ilang araw na umakyat. Lumaki yung volume. We just bought that. No? Volume is a very good indicator. No? As long as it's valid, not processed. No? Sayang rin pala yung EI, no? Kung nabenta ko 550, 56, ano ba yung high? But wala. The goal is really to, what, trade it for a few days. So anyway, congratulations to EEI. Yeah, but yeah, we're also, I'm waiting for a pullback rin. No? Pangit kasi yung chart niya, parang antena yung kahapon. No? Vanilla Emerson. No? Anyway, there's a question here. Again, we don't answer questions until we reach 100,000 subscribers. So please help me spread the word. No? Sabi ko, hindi naman tayo madamot here. Justin Beda. No? WM, Gerger, Gaming Central, Ray Toledo, John Edison Aquino, JDN, Blueberry, JR Frayalde, Oliver Wendell, Go Limitless, Mark, Jennifer, Francis, Jason Chan, Jarwa, and JCB Tan, and Michael. No? Again, thank you very much for listening. Bye.